fly. I could be in a place with you, Chiquita. Can't make it omelet without slitting a few throats. Then move on to some other sweetmeats. Think of them now, Sammy. Samuel! Think of them now. Time to call. Samuel! Samuel! Sleepover, waking dreams, stale bread, putrid butter. Need something with a little more meat. Gotta get out of here. See if I go on the streets. Shackles.
Sit all of you. Yes, sit You ready? Ready to confess your sins? The Dark Lord is hearing all confessions right around the corner. Sinners, all of you! Now I've sinned!
Timber, wood, the flesh and bone. I did it for old Scratch himself. I did it. Sammy did it.
Oh my gosh. Can't see anything. Where do I go?
Keep walking straight.
How do I get out?
Keep walking straight. Come on.
That's not it. Oh gosh. The drop down. Nope. Thank you so much for watching Theme Park HD. Don't forget to subscribe for more haunted houses, screams, and everything else Halloween. Ho ho ho.